Hey guys, it's Unix. I just want to take a moment to say a massive thank you to all of you for helping us cross 180k plus subscribers on this channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a smooth text animation like After Effects. Here you can see these 4 clips. I made all these on CapCut and it takes too much time, but it looks cool. Ignore the noises. And I know voiceover isn't that good because I'm recording with my phone, but it's clear enough to understand. To make these type of text animations, you need these 2 apps, CapCut and Node Video. CapCut for text, font and animations, and Node Video for text glow. And here's the important thing. If your CapCut have glow option, then you don't need Node Video. You can do everything in only CapCut. Same goes with Node Video, but it's complicated. Now open your CapCut and follow my steps. Let's start.
Well, what's wrong? Well, what's wrong? Well, what's wrong? Well, what's wrong? What's wrong? So, well, what's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Wrong. Well, what's wrong? Well, what's wrong? Well, what's wrong? So the thing. So the. So. So. So the thing is. Well, what's wrong? So. So the. Well, what's wrong? Well, what's wrong? Well, what's wrong? So the thing is. How about you use your. So the thing. So the thing is. Well, what's wrong? So the thing is. How about. How about. How about you use your body to pay? A what? Pay. A what? Your body to pay. Use your body to pay. A what? A what? How about you? How about you? How about how about you? How about you? How about use your body use your body to pay. How about use your body to pay? Body to pay. To pay. How about use your body to pay? How about use your body to pay? A what? A what? A what? A what? Tell me. Tell me. Tell man. Tell man. Tell tell man. Tell man. Man. Tell man. Tell man. Well, what's wrong? So the thing is, how about use your body to pay? A what? Oh, the hell, man? Well, what's wrong? So the thing is, how about use your body to pay? A what? Oh, the hell, man? Oh, so the thing is, how about use your body to pay? A what? Tell me. So the thing is, how about use your body to pay? A what? Oh, the hell, man? Well, what's wrong?
After all this, here's the final video.
Well, what's wrong? So the thing is, How about use your body to pay? A what? Oh! The hell, man?
Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.